Hey, do you know how to say capital in Spanish or in French? You got it. Capital. Hi, Lingo Lab 3.0 here. This is Mike. Today we learn 25 words that are identical or similar in Spanish, English, and French. Stay tuned. Before we continue, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more video lessons and language learning tips. The following 25 words are cognates or cognados en español because they are similar or identical to words we already know in our native languages. Let's start with the list. Cognates, verbs. English, respond, capture, observe. Spanish, responder, capturar, observar. French, répondre, capturer, observer. Similar words ending in IC. Music, logic, fantastic. Spanish, música, lógica, fantástico. French, musique, logique, fantastique. Cognates ending in E and T. English, urgent, agent, violent. Spanish, urgente, agente, violento. French, urgent, agent, violent. Cognates ending in T, Y. English, liberty, nationality. Spanish, libertad, nacionalidad. French, liberté, nationalité. Cognates ending in OR. English, professor, director, actor. Spanish, profesor, director, actor. French, professeur, directeur, acteur. Great! Those are exact cognates, meaning they are the same in English, Spanish, and French. Let's check them out. English, festival, terrible, legal, mental, animal, balance, base, capital, control, hotel, bar, final. Spanish, festival, terrible, legal, mental, animal, balance, base, capital, control, hotel, bar, final. French. Festival, terrible, légal, mental, animal, balance, base, capitale, contrôle, hôtel, bar, final. Okay, that's all. I'm sure you get the idea here. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon so you don't miss out any of our lessons and language learning tips. Till the next one. Bye.